lady Khushwant Singh. This lesson has been written in language. A word picture by the author about his own grandmother. Khushwant Singh has been known as the highest paid of India when he was alive. He was Padma Shri awardee and he returned his award in protest to Blue Star Amritsar. When he alive, he has been writing papers of the country, leading country under no malice towards one and all. Hindi newspapers under the title Na Kahu Se Bair. The picture has been drawn very clearly about his. The portrait of Khushwant Singh has given an account of. He draws a lifelike portrait. She was very old. Her face. It was hard to believe that once she had been young because he looked his grandmother in the same physical state years. So it was difficult for the that she had been once. His grandfather's was hung above the mantel in the drawing room. Herman, his close, he looked at least 100 years old. It was hard. It was hard that he had a wife and children. Khuswant Singh grandmother was she had she had to keep one's hand waist. It was she fat and slightly bent. She couldn't walk walk straight. She hobbled about. She had to keep one hand on her waist first to balance her stoop. She had to keep one hand. It was her stoop. In a sense, you can say she was comfortable in walking. In other hand, she always counted the beats. Her lips constant prayer. She put on her white, her silver locks over her pale face. She looked like snowy mountains. She was a picture of peace and contentment. She was very old. Perhaps she could not looked older. She looked the same years. It was difficult for the that she was once because he found the grandma same physical state condition for the last 20 years. So this is all about the grandmother. About the routine of the grandmother because the in the of grandmother in the village in his days, Khushwant Singh and his grandfriends they went to city. They left him with her. She took good care. She took good care of him. She used to wake him up. She used to wake the morning. She got him ready for the school. She said morning prayer sung manner in such a manner that it could be heard by the child and he memorized it. But the author never learned it. She hoped and learned it by heart. She hoped he would learn it by heart. He liked but never bothered to learn it. He would fetch his wooden slate. She had already washed it and applied yellow chalk. She would earthen ink pot and read. She would tie them in a bundle and hand it. She would give a thick slate chapati with little butter and sugar spread. It was his breakfast. She carried chapati to the school. Cheese. or you can sing school was running in a gurdwara and religious men in the veranda too, and he was made to sit in. The school was attached to the temple. The priest taught alphabet and the morning prayer. Children sat in two rows in the. They would sing the prayer in a chorus. That inside the temple, she would read holy books. Child was studying in the grandmother was sitting inside the gurdwara reading the religious holy books. They would walk home together. The door, they threw chapati. The dogs would growl and fight with it. Now, when they were leaving the school, the chapati mother were torn into pieces, and these dogs who were waiting for them at the school gate. And when the chapati them, there was a sort of feud among the dogs. They were growling at each other. Now, situation changes. Friends sent for them. It was a turning point in the mother. They shared the same room. Now, in the there was not so much scope to take the child to the school because the child was going to the school by, and they did nothing not to help child in his preparing. One day she asked from the child, what kind of lessons does he get in school? He told GK, science, or music. Music, she was horrified. What had a gentle mind from hope had music had lewd association. It has nothing to do with the gentle folk. There were no dogs in the street. There were no dogs in the street. Took to feeding the sparrows. When she was living, she was feeding the. When she shifted to city, no dogs, so she used to feed sparrows. Years rolled by. They each other. Sometimes she would ask what the teacher had taught him. She in the things they taught at the English school. She she did not like our science. She felt sad that no teaching about God and the Spirit. The narrator one day said they were being given lessons, so she was disturbed. Music quite indecent was good only for prostitutes and beggars. It was not meant for gentlefolk. That music is a subjoining with the prostitutes and it is not thing. It is concerning with the gentlefolk. The narrator went to investigate. He was given a room. The common link, the common link of broken. The grandmother, her loneliness quietly, is busy with her spinning wheel, writing prayers. She rarely talked. In the afternoon, she relaxed for a while. Then she would feed the sparrows. Sat in the veranda. She broke little bits. Then she would feed sparrows. Hundreds of his came there. They created a hell of noise. Came and sat on her legs. The sparrows came in large number. They were so used to the grandmother, they were not afraid of scared. Some of them were perching on her, some were sitting near her, and sometimes the grand whipped them that they should not feel offended. Others would sit on her soldier. Some would sit even on her head. She smiled but never frightened them away. Feeding the sparrows was just half hour of the day. He was sparing half an hour time the sparrows. Then needed to go abroad. For her, it was to remain. He was to remain away for 5 years. The grandmother was very old, could die any moment. The night, but the grandmother was. She showed no emotion. She came to the railway to see him off. Her, her lips moved. Her mind was lost in prayer. Fingers were busy telling the beats. She kissed the forehead. The narrator thought. last sign of physical contact. Now, as anybody could imagine, mother may not be alive when the asks after completing his education after 5 years. Grandmother was bid him bid farewell. She was her lips gently in prayer, and she was her meditation present over there. And in the end, on the forehead of returned home after 5 years, met him at the station. He was returned after 5 years. He was very happy to see the alive present at the railway station. She day older. She was state physical condition found her to be in before 5 years. She did nothing. She held him in her arms. She went on reciting her prayers. Afternoon, she fed the sparrows. As usual, a change came over her. Pray. She collected the women up. She got an old drum. She continued thumping the old drum for several hours. She started singing. She sang of warriors. Had to persuade her to stop. She might overstrain herself. First time that she had forgotten. For the first time in her life, she had forgotten. Otherwise, she had uh, she was praying the God every day at a fixed. And she was so collected the women from neighborhood, and she had been beating a drum, old drum, and sang various songs, and she overstrained she herself by singing and beating the drum for several hours. Then fell ill. She had a mild feeling that her end was near, that she had forgotten to pray, to want to walk. She didn't. It would be waste of time. Now the doctor was consulted that she is fatigued. Let her rest. But grandmother, knowing that her end is fully in bed, she was praying. Then her lips stopped moving. The rosary fell down from her lifeless. Her face looked pale. She was dead. She was ground. She was covered with the red arrangements for her funeral. Now ultimately she left mundane world to go heavenly abode, and now the after her death and people, family members started making the preparation. In the evening, sun was setting. They brought stretcher. They stopped half in the courtyard. Thousands of near her dead body. They did. Everyone felt. The narrator's mother brought. She broke it into little. She threw these crumbs to the sparrows. Birds took no notice of them. Her side, the sparrows flew away. The crumbs of bread still there in the courtyard. So, on behalf of grandmother, the bread pieces were sparrows by the but the birds took no notice. Bits of chapati sat there silently till of the mother grandmother was there. The dead body of the grandmother, the birds silently. That day there was no chirping had come there to mourn the grandmother. So in the day the birds have lost their feeder, the caretaker. So this is children. It is clear. Sadhana Pandey. Okay. So I give you some questions to answer. We answering the questions whatever you, and the three phases of author's relation grandmother before he left the. What are the of author's relationship mother in the village before he left the country? Country means village. He was previously. Yes. Hmm. Okay. Speak loudly. Hmm. Oh. Okay. Okay. Mm. 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 Okay. Now, three regions. Her grandmother was disturbed when started going to city school. This is to be answered by uh, Anupadhyay. Who will answer this question? Yes, you answer this question. Mm. Okay. Okay. Mm. Monopoly and beggars. Okay, prostitute. Mm. Three ways in which the author spent her days after he grew up. What are the ways in which the grandmother day routine? Not answer all the questions. Sadhana, urgent, they must respond. You respond. You speak loudly. Hmm. Yes. She was some time to the spinning wheels. She was devoting half an hour time afternoon to feed the sparrows. At times she was remembering gods and counting rosaries. Very good answer. The odd way in which the author behaved just before she died. Means strange way. She had never behaved before. So what way? Uh, this is Anupadhyay. Anu, yes. Shraddha Rai, Shraddha Rai. Aditi, you. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hard way, strange way, that she collected the women after homecoming of the from abroad after completion years study in abroad. That she collected the women, she invited neighborhood. She an old drum, started beating, thumping on it, sang songs for. So in this way, she exhausted herself. And next morning, she also forgot to pray. She that day evening prayer performed. So this was the, okay. The sparrows expressed their sorrows. Her grandmother died. To answer this question, साधना पांडे, गौरव गुप्ता, गौरव, श्रेया. This question. How had the sparrows expressed their sorrow after their demise? Who is going to answer this question? Uh, hmm. Yes, answer. Hmm. 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 mm, 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 mm. The grandmother's dead body was lying. The sparrows came as per their afternoon. That day, the grandmother was not there to feed them. Her dead body was, and the sparrows immediately some adverse situation is there. They sat near the dead body of the other silently, though authors grant some bits of chapati to throw them towards sparrows, but none of the sparrows notice of the chapati. There silently till the dead body was there. When the dead body was removed, they flew away silently. Hmm. Now, the grandmother was a religious person. What are the different ways in which we come to Kriti Burma? How do we author's grandmother was? So Kriti Burma, uh, Gaurav Gupta, you respond. Only one child is responding. The author's grandmother was a religious. Are the different ways in which we come to know disliking the Western language is not a mean that she is a religious. She was the bits of rosary always in her one. Her lips always moved in prayer, and she was wearing white clothes, and she was the holy task. Okay.